Hey everyone, Lee here, Okanagan Sawmill. So what we've got on for today is, well, there's nothing on the sawmill yet, but what I want to get done is I've actually got a bunch of just random smaller stuff to do. So I want to try and get this little bit tidied up. So I've got some more of that amazing box elder, got some elm going on, this big chunk here, and we'll just see what we get through. I've got like 4 or 5 pieces I'd like to at least just get cut and cleaned up. Oh, a nice little chunk of elm there, maybe we'll cut that as well. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna get working on today. So and then we'll just see how the day goes. It looks like it's gonna be a really nice day. The sun's coming out, which is good, so hopefully it stays that way. So let's get you guys set up and yeah, let's get to it, eh? Okay, so I milled that one. Not really sure it was worth it, but still, that's what it looks like. I'll do water pops at the end, I think. But I just did these 2 inches thick just because they're not as wide, but I'm not really sure it was worth it. But oh well, no worries. I'm sure somebody will like it. It'll do for a shelf or something for somebody. Okay, let's grab one of the more interesting pieces, hey? Let's get this going. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. It's a bit spalted, it's got all the flame, it's got some of the figure going on. I'll just do a little water pop on this. I don't want to do too much water. It's getting boggy around here. It's that time of year. So let's get you set up nice and close, eh? Whew, that water's cold. Yeah, let's have another look. Alrighty, so yeah, definitely looking as good as the other stuff. Well, probably not quite as good, but still really good. I do like this spalting, this spalted line. That looks, it's different. No, it's good. Not too bad for a throwaway chunk, basically. That is looking very nice. Alrighty, let's carry on. Okay, I'm not sure about milling this one. I mean, I'm going to do it, but I don't expect it to really yield anything. Like I say, it's an elm like this one, and this really isn't that great, but we'll see. There might be something interesting in this area and in the crop, so we'll get it set up anyway, and let's give her a go. So yeah, as I thought, not super great, but okay. There's a bit of flamage going on down there, and a bit of character and grain and whatnot, so that's good. So I got 2 of them, so could always do some kind of book matching kind of thing. I actually like the way all this is reported and everything. That's quite nice. And then you've got some of the staining going on. So okay, so I think we've got one more. We got the big chunk of elm, which is about as wide as it is long almost. So let's get that one on, and let's so that's what we got. So that was 1 log, that one was 1 log, and then this piece here is the other piece to that. So okay, let's keep going. Okay, that took a little finessing to get on, but it's on, it's good. Just had to pack this corner up quite a bit. It's not as stable as I'd like it, so I'll do the usual. I'll cut a couple of slabs off, or at least get a good flat on there, and then I'll roll it over, and then we should be able to just blitz it then. So okay, let's get going. Okay, so it was getting a little tippy. Actually, in fact, the blade vibrated a little bit just because it was a bit tippy. So, but that's looking quite nice, and I barely cut through the sapwood. Go away. There's a wasp around. Go away. Go away. One. Anyway. Sorry about that. So yeah, so it's looking pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna roll it over because it was getting a little rocky. I didn't like that, so worried it's gonna slip off the blocks and then destroy the blade or something. So yeah, I think that's enough of a flat though to at least get us so we can get on there. Yeah, that'll be good. All right, let's get it flipped over. Okay, so we got that one milled up, very good. Let's have a quick oh yeah, it's looking good, so let's get these all stacked up. Got that bunch there, not so great, but it's okay. I think they'll still be some pretty tidy pieces. I'm sure some people will like them. It's always worth trying, otherwise it just ends up going in the fire pit, but it's always worth trying. So yeah, I think that's going to be the best one though, for sure. So yeah, let's get all them stacked and stickered. We'll do a couple of water pops, and yeah, we'll see what we got. So yeah, that's looking nice. Lots of colour and everything. It's a little punky in here, but other than that, lots of nice grain, looking really good. So these are basically 4 foot by 4 foot, so yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Well, those elm slabs were really heavy. I don't know why I made that really hard work for some reason. So, okay, so what have I got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those elm. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 of those box elder. They're all at 2.5 inches. Obviously these, you know, they're a little spalted and whatever. They don't look really great, but a couple of them look pretty decent. The lower ones do. So yeah, I forgot, I got a couple more over here still, so I should probably find a spot and get them stacked up. So we've got 2 there, which again, probably not really worth that much at all. And I'm not sure whether it was worth doing at all, but, and then I've got these 3 over here. So what do we have? 7 and 12. That would be 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 slabs in total. Not very big, obviously, all just, like I say, just small stuff, just trying to tidy up and get back into some of the big stuff. So what have we got? So let's have a quick look. We've got a couple of pieces of elm in here, but I've got that chestnut and the walnut in there as well, and then some maple and some cottonwood and a bit of everything. So, and then the other day, I'll just show you over here. The other day I managed to pick up some oak, which was nice because I don't have any oak, although I think somebody already wants this milled up. So I got that chunk and that chunk. This piece is not going to be anything, bit of firewood, but so there's that. And then I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure what this is, but these are a couple of mystery logs. I mean, that might just be, I'm not sure what that is. It could just be a pine or something, but it's pretty twisted and all over the place. Again, it might not yield a huge amount on the inside because it's been pretty weathered, but we shall see. And I've got a couple of big cottonwoods there. Alrighty, well, I think that's it for this one. It's getting towards the end of the day. Yeah, I'm getting a bit tired. I had to go and help a buddy pour concrete pad earlier in between milling and then stacking, but got all that done, so that's good. Yeah, right, like I say, I think that's it for this one. Really appreciate you watching as always, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. All right, bye.